China brought Pakistan and Afghanistan to the table in Urumqi. The message from Beijing is clear. Enough fighting, start talking, but here is what everyone is really asking. Will the Afghan Taliban finally stop allowing terrorist groups to use their soil against Pakistan? The meeting happened. Officials from all three countries sat down, but this wasn't a grand mediation. It was exploratory. People are being careful because previous talks in Doha, Istanbul, and Riyadh went nowhere. So what does Pakistan want? The same thing it has wanted for years. The Afghan Taliban must stop Fitna al-Khawarij, the ban TTP and other militant groups from using Afghan territory to launch attacks inside Pakistan. This is not a new demand. UN reports confirm these groups operate from Afghanistan. Even China and Russia have acknowledged this. Then there is the Doha Agreement. The Afghan Taliban signed it with the United States. One of the key commitments was that Afghan soil would never again be used to threaten any other country. That promise is now being tested. Some sources say that Taliban offered written assurances during the Urumqi meeting, but Pakistan is not interested in papers. Islamabad wants real action, verifiable step, not words that can be ignored later. The timing matters. Just weeks ago, Pakistan carried out airstrike on TTP hideout inside Afghanistan. The Taliban retaliated. A temporary Eid ceasefire brought some calm, but the border remained tense. Small clashes continue. China wants stability on its western border. That is why Beijing is stepping in, but China can only facilitate. China cannot force the Taliban to act. The decision rests with Kabul. So the question remains, will the Afghan Taliban finally honor the Doha Agreement? Will they stop Fitna al-Khawarij from using their soil to attack Pakistan? Or will this be another round of talks that leads nowhere?